This marked a long and painful moment in our history. War is what happens when we fail, when we collectively fail. And the end of World War I stands as an example of what utter devastation can occur when we indeed fail to resolve our conflicts and fail to find compromise. And it is important that we are here together to pay our respect, and that from now on we strive to work together. I have seen the incredible things that people can do when they decide to join forces, to work together. I know this for a fact. I know for a fact that we can do great things together, and that there are no differences that cannot be surmounted. What is amazing about the International Space Station is that it's been built by nations that 100 years ago were fighting each other on these very fields. Though it was fought an ocean away, the First World War had a profound impact on Canada. Though our population was just a few million people, we sent hundreds of thousands of soldiers across the sea to be part of these battles. The costs were immense. In their memory, let us never repeat this. Let us strive to work together so that we can build a better world. Ensemble, nous devons surmonter nos différences. Nous devons travailler ensemble pour bâtir un monde meilleur pour nos enfants et pour leurs descendants, aujourd'hui et pour toujours. Merci.